Video 531, bug fixes and secret data. So let's get into it. So we're going to go over the 531 deltas here. I've added this section called secret data Qt-bot. Now there's a whole bunch of stuff in here, and I'm not going to get into it into too much detail because it's basically just a lookup table of lookup tables where we have these things called KB cards that stand for Qt-bot cards. There's different categories, right? So this G prefix stands for games that we can play, and then the other prefixes stand for other things. So right here are our lookup tables. So this is the B questions category lookup table, the I questions lookup table, K questions lookup table, R questions, E questions, G questions, S questions, and then we put it into a lookup table of lookup tables down here. Okay, FILE896 H27 disk to GPU. This function I think might be done, but I'm not sure. So I probably should get rid of this error message, but I'm not going to do it in this video. FILE896 HI9 L16 either. This is going to copy to or from the save file memory to the in-game memory. So in either direction, and it's going to copy an L16 chunk. So that's a level pack data chunk. We added some error checking here to make sure that the chunk indexes are within the correct bounds. And then down here, this needed to have an I prefix in front of it to be valid. And so that's a bug fix. And then down here a little bit further, we have two more bug fixes. This needs to be H3X. Both of these need to be H3X. Both of these need to be H3Y because we're taking GPU X range selection and GPU Y range selection. We're taking them and offsetting them to the origin of whatever level pack we want to target within the master memory. Okay, so this function right here is just the same thing as the L16 version, but it works with prefab chunks. We'll write this in the next video. This is the same idea, except it works with T25 chunks. We'll write this in another video as well. So people I'm stalking on YouTube, what I did previously, footnotes, and what I did in this video. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. And if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. If you want technical demos only and no code, you can go here. You're on the fast advanced playlist. Source code is here. You can email me here. But like and subscribe. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman game that uses proximity mines with directional blasts.